Okay.
Welcome to Follow Me Draw. Today you will need some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Today we're drawing a tree that also turns into a family tree. Start by drawing 2 even lines for the tree trunk. The lines curve out at the bottom. Your lines can be wiggly like a real tree. They don't have to be straight. Next, we draw grass for the background. You can add flowers and other plants as well. Next, we're going to draw the branches. There are 5 kids in my family. So we drew 5 branches. 1 branch for each of my sisters and brothers. Now we have 5 branches drawn. It's time to add some leaves. At the end of the branches, we draw some squiggly lines for leaves. After that, draw a squiggly line all around, like this. Now we finished our tree.
roots.
It's time to add some roots. We draw 4 roots at the end of our tree. These roots are for our grandparents. We call our grandparents Mama and Papa. Now we're gonna add extra details. We added more roots and more branches. This is our finished drawing. Activity idea 1. Turn a picture into a family tree. Write down your own family's names on the picture of your tree. Here's an idea what it looks like. This is me and my dad writing out our family names. My mom and dad were the trunk. The kids are the branches. And the roots are our grandparents. Here's our finished colored pictures. I hope you like them. Activity idea 2. Share some stories from your own family history. Maybe you could ask a relative or go on family search. Thanks for joining us on Follow Me Draw. For more drawing videos, subscribe to Follow Me Draw.